welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. I am super excited to show you how to draw my melody wearing headphones and enjoying some music. So let's get started. Let's start with my melody's eyes because it's my favorite part. So let's draw my melody's eyes right over here. Like that, and come across to make her second eye. Yes, like that. Now let's draw my melody's nose. So we're going to draw a circle in the middle, like that. Okay, now let's draw her smile. Oh, she looks so happy. It's just the face right now. So when we're going to draw the whole my melody, it's gonna look so cute. So let's start from here. Okay, so I have connected the both sides like an egg shape, Okay, now let's start with my melodies. Costume, no, not the costume, like her top, like her head. So let's start from here. We're gonna stop at this point because we're going to make her headphones, okay? We're gonna start from here. And we're going to come up. And don't forget the headphones are also going to be coming from here. You have to imagine them. So that's how art works. So let's cut this part so we can draw her headphones. And they'll look more attractive. Okay, let's start from here to draw my melody's second ear. I like that her one ear is shaping down. I mean, it's cute. Okay, now let's draw the bow. Usually my melody has a flower, but I want to change it. I want to draw a bow. I want to make my melody a bit different. See, the bow looks good on her. Okay, now let's continue from here. We're gonna stop and we're gonna leave a spot for her nice headphones. Nice cute headphones. Now let's draw her headphones. The best part. Okay, so we're gonna start from here. And we're going to make a shape like that. Okay. And we're going to start from here. And we're going to continue. We're gonna stop. Wait, I forgot to make something over here. There's also like a I don't know what to say, like this thing on it. Yeah. Yes. I don't know what to call that, but I don't know what to say. Okay, let's draw her. Headphones have this thing on them. So I want to draw them. Usually some headphones don't have this on them, but the headphones, those, I don't know the name of those headphones. They have them. So if you can guess which type of headphones I'm talking about. Do tell me in the comment section below. Okay, yes. Now let's draw a star on top. So you guys probably know how to make a star, and then you have to color in it. Oh my goodness, that looks like a mess. I tried drawing a star, but that doesn't even look like a star. Okay, cut the scene. You can make that like just color in it. So now let's continue from here, and we will draw our second pair of headphones on the second side. Yay, my melody is looking so good. Now we're going to connect this side and also this side. Yay, my melody's wearing headphones and enjoying her music. Okay, now we are also going to draw the music sign right over here. So let's make it. I'm going to switch my marker. Actually this marker has two sides, so that's why. And now let's make it. I hope it's visible to you guys. Like half of a circle. We're gonna go up. And there we go. And we can color in it. I don't know, but this music sign makes it look more cute. Now let's make one this side, like over here. So in this side, we're going to make like a different type of it. So let's draw a line like that. Come across. Draw another line. And this one has this type of design in it. It's quite different. Okay, that looks a bit wobbly and wiggly. And also right over here. That visible to you guys? I hope. Okay. And the music sign is completed. Now, are you guys excited to draw my melody's body, which is the best part of all? Let's draw it. So we will draw my melody's dress coming right over here. And we will come down to draw my melody's foot. So this is her body shape right now. Bruh, that looks like a bum. That's not. Okay. Now let us draw my melody's hands. Yay, my melody's so happy. What music are you listening to, my melody? I want to listen it. Can I take your headphones for a second? Boop. Okay. That was just... Okay, now let's make her dress design. And let's draw her little shoes. Yay, my melody's so happy. I really like my Melody. She's so cute. Okay, let's draw her. Let's complete making her dress. Her cute little dress. And also like that. And we're going to connect this. We cannot leave a single spot of the way. Okay. And we are going to draw this cute little style on my Melody's cheeks. Isn't it cute, you guys? Isn't it cute? Do tell me in the comment section below. And my Melody, wait, is completed. What do you think about my drawing? The comment section is always there for you to tell me. And what other drawing tutorials you want me to make, like this one. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Bye, guys.